In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete questions on Edpuzzle. Whether you added the question by mistake or want to change your lesson, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you are logged in to your teacher account and go to the My Content, which is going to be around the left side area of your navigation dashboard. I want you to click on it. Here, just click the video that contains the questions that you want to delete. Because if you do, you will be forwarded to the editor. Okay? All I have to do is click the edit button on the top corner. And then you see that there is a question here which I wanted to delete. Click that question. Okay? And then in the right side, there should be a pencil icon if you want to edit, and a trash icon or a garbage bin icon where you can simply delete that question. It's super simple. Now, if you have many questions, you can simply delete all the questions by pressing the garbage icon all over again. And once you're happy with that, click the finish button, and basically that's how you delete questions on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.